Now we are going to see the digital electronics. In this section we see digital and analog. This is the representation of the digital signal. Okay. So digital electronics is the branch of electronics which deals with the digital signals to perform the various tasks and meet various requirements. It is based on the digital design methodologies and consists of digital circuits, ICs and logic gates. It uses only binary digits, that means 0 and 1. 0 and 1. We are preferring the digital signals than the analog because of better performance, accuracy, speed, flexibility and immunity to the noise. Okay, so only we are preferring the digital signals than the analog signals. Okay, and it is nowadays we are using mostly digital signals from the higher range to minority circuits for signal processing and communication. Digital electronics deals with the electronic manipulation of numbers or with the manipulation of varying quantities by means of numbers, because it is very convenient to do. Okay, nowadays the systems are deals only with the numbers 0 and 1 because they can be represented by easily on and off within the circuit. The digital signals which contains only discrete values of voltages. Okay, it needs the two stages on and off. The on represent the one state in the binary as a 1, circuit is on and represent the high voltage, circuit is closed switch. Okay, in the off condition this represents 0 state in the binary 0, circuit is off, low voltage and the switch is open. This is a representation of the on and off condition. On and off condition. In the digital signal, 0 and 1 is represented like this. Okay, this is analog signal. In the analog signal, it is a continuously varying voltage or current with respect to the time. Such as signals have been employed in the rectifying the circuits and the transistors, amplifier circuits. Positive and negative logic. In the digital system, there exist the two levels, that means two voltage levels, 5 voltage and 0 voltage. 5 represent the high, 0 represent the low. In the positive logic system, a binary 1 represent 5 voltage and 0 represent 0 voltage. Okay. In the negative logic system, one state represent 0 voltage and 0 state represent 5 voltage. This is a logic representation of the positive and negative.